I finally had to go to the market on my steer tire. It might be changing, but I still have it on the tread. But well over half the tread. It was bouncing like crazy. Oh shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! I got that on camera too. I'm gonna see if he's alright.
Read those out. It's so much more satisfying. It gets you so many more followers. So that's good. All right. So anyway,
Jesus!
In no particular order, let me talk a little bit about the Oscars. I didn't see the whole thing. A lot of people were asking me though on Twitter and various places, what did I think of Scott MacFarlane?
Seth.
And what's his name?
Seth.
Oh, Seth MacFarlane.
Oh man, I caught that. What? Accident. Catch. This old guy hitting this guy. You did? Should have it. Huh? I should have it. What happened? Accident. You did it? That old guy.
Found under a wagon. We just started to go through the woods. The king said, take it all around and lay it over it.
Have a seat right here. Oh my God. River 20, I need AMR and CDF to my location for a pedestrian versus vehicle. Pull over. Go around and pull over.
Well, I'm driving. What's going on?
Not much. I'm on the 22. Oh, man, there's an accident right there. Darn it.
Right where?
Right in front of me.
Holy shit!
Shit, here comes another one. Oh shit.